This is the Gadsden or Don't Tread on Me version of the Swiss Army knife manufactured by Victorinox. It is the smallest pocket knife manufactured by Victorinox, approximately 2 1/4 inches long. Victorinox lists it as 58 millimeters. This knife has 7 features. First of all, here is a knife blade, and here is a nail file, and on the end of the nail file is a square cut that acts as a screwdriver. On the other side of the knife, we have here a pair of scissors. You can see the scissors here. And finally, we have here at the end, this end of the knife, you pull this out, was a pair of tweezers, and on the other side, turn it over, and there's a toothpick. Now the last feature we have here now is a key ring. It's a split ring which you can either add a key to it or put a larger ring in it and put a number of keys in it.